Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, but today we are over at BOCA, and it's been an interesting day. Lots of boat traffic, but as you can see here, it is rough, and it has been nasty. BOCA is fighting dirty today, and it's going to be interesting to see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with BOCA. But that brings us up to our first round. Let's go ahead and get this competition started. And our crew is flying out of BOCA. Man, we got a bow rider too. She hit hard. Right here you see they just hit the wave wrong. She goes airborne, smacks down hard twice, and our crew has to slow it down. They don't have a choice here. I mean, she's reaching out for help. Man, I just hope she's okay. This is why we don't do bow riders, guys. This is why when you're coming out of the mouth of an inlet, everybody gets behind the helm. It's just not worth it. Man, on this one, I don't have a lot to say other than I really, truly hope she's okay. She smacked down good both times, but BOCA's going to take a win here in the first round. Hopefully the second round has a little bit better outcome for the boats. And here we go, we got a little Boston whaler making its way into the inlet. This outrage looks pretty solid. This crew on a rough day, keeping the boat up, making sure not to stuff the bow, and they're going to make it into the inlet, and the boats will get a little redemption here in the second round as they'll take a win. And that'll move us into the third round of our contest, tied at 1 apiece, and we're going to have an Edgewater step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet. And this crew's taking it easy. Another one of our party crews coming out of Lake BOCA, probably heading back to wherever they originally came from. But they might want to get up on the throttle a little bit on this one. We do have a kind of heavy sea today, and they're going to need to keep that bow up. Our captain's starting to work his way out, trying to do it carefully. He's got a pretty packed boat. And then we've got some girl jumping here in the back, but that's just never a good idea. You easily can get hurt. I'm not sure what she's doing here, but she's having fun of her own, I guess. But the tough part on this one is when you're playing around behind the captain like this, he can't see what's going on. So if you fall or get injured, he's not even going to know it happened. Oh no! She goes down! She hits her head on the rod holder that's sitting on the T-top and winds up taking a fall. It appears that she's going to be okay, but she went down. I'm going to give BOCA the win in that round, and that'll move us on to the fourth round of our competition. And apparently in the fourth round, everybody better hang on, because it's going to be a heck of a battle. Our crew is making their way out into some rough, heavy seas in a CV, but everybody is just hanging on and going for the ride. And right now, our crew looks pretty good. They've pretty much made it out of the inlet at this point. Captain's going to go ahead and open those throttles up as they're going to start to make their way south, and they're going to take a win for the boats in the fourth round. And that'll move us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. And who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or BOCA Inlet? And here we've got a little Key West making its way out of BOCA. My man's got this boat up on plane, and he's kind of pushing that throttle a little bit, especially for a boat of this size. Oh, man! They go airborne, and our guy right over here on the right, it appears is trying to enjoy a beverage of some kind, but he is spilling it everywhere. Major party foul. And for that reason, I'm having a tough time calling this one. They get some major air right here, and Captain powers through. But do we forgive the party foul the whole rest of the way out of the inlet? You guys let me know. I'm going to let you call this one. Let me know in the comments who takes the win here, the boats or BOCA Inlet, and I'm going to let you guys decide who wins this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.